Here I have Blackview BV9000 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down and under wireless and networks tap on more. And here you will notice tethering and portable hotspot, so just pick this option. And now you can simply go to Wi-Fi Hotspot, the last tab, and just by tapping over here you can enable your Wi-Fi hotspot. So that's it. From now on your device is a portable hotspot. You can also change the network name and also the password. Just tap on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And here, by tapping on current network name, you can delete it and enter a new one. Hard reset. Then you can change the reset. Then you can change the password the same way. If you will tap on show password, you will see what your current password is. Now you can delete it and then enter a new one. You just have to remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. And once everything is changed, just tap on save. And that's it. You've just personalized your Wi-Fi hotspot, you activated it, and finally, if you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same switcher as in the beginning. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.